Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing your Jvc Tv for external streaming. Check the exact model number on the back panel and confirm it supports HDMI input. Power on the television and use the settings menu to update firmware to the latest version. Verify your home network is active and can deliver at least 5 Mbps download speed for standard definition streaming. Locate an available HDMI port on the TV. Also find a 5v1A USB or a wall adapter near the TV for powering a streaming device. The only reliable way to use YouTube on many Jvc TVs is with a streaming device. Choose a stick or small box such as Chromecast 4K or Fire TV Stick 4K for current YouTube app support. Insert the device into the TV HDMI port and attach its USB power cable to the 5v1A outlet you located. Switch the TV input to that HDMI port using the remote. Complete the device setup by following on-screen pairing prompts and connecting the device to your Wi-Fi network. Once the streaming device is set up, you can access YouTube directly from its app or cast from a phone. Open the YouTube app on your phone and tap Cast if you prefer mobile control. Use the device remote for full navigation if you want a traditional TV experience. If streaming buffers, test your Wi-Fi speed and switch to a 5 GHz band for higher throughput. For persistent errors, restart the streaming stick, power cycle the TV, and reboot the router to restore normal playback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.